Leo, may ngalan, no? Picture rare?
2,000.
1,000.
What?
1,000.
We send me two.
Because they know you are tourist. Later you just say 20,000. You say you try.
20,000.
20,000.
Pwede?
Yeah, behind it.
Okay. Establishing done ay. Tapos okay guys, ayun na ta, papuli na ta. Si Mary mabakasyon sa Pilipinas. Amar na.
Go vacation, everybody.
Oh, Korean na siya nga mabakasyon sa Pilipinas. Mapa Pilipinas kaya Mar. Kaya Mar.
Yep.
Tanin sa isam lang. Ginabantay-bantayan sa ganit ni Mary be. Gino ma-transform mo sa zombie.
Doon ka na?
9
9 p.m. karon.
Ano yun nasa kagat?
Hindi, ang so bali,
Gin-advance na lang.
as soon as you miss your dose ko, no? And then,
Kaysa
Basta as long
hulaton
as
nga
hindi
mag
siya
9 gab eh
12
ginpainom na lang sa sing ugto, di ba? Wala na siya kay nom gabi 9 kay tinamiss siya na mo. Hindi man sa pwede guro nga hindi man go pwede nung nga nag-inom na siya sing hapon tapos may inom pagid sa gabi.
May pangpatulog daan mo. Kaya alas 9.
Alin ko yan, no? Lela sa Parmar. Ang alaman.
Drop ang
Pa-picture ka sa airport ko nung.
May pasyente. So, wala na yun.
Okay, bye-bye. Abangan Bungalow. So, this is our hotel. Very nice hotel.
Kulog mo dek. Kulog mo sa sana.
oh, una sa tulog.
Okay.
Okay, Eddie. All small one.
Yeah.
Still empty.
Empty. We will bring humans. No, Mar.
Separate ka na.
Bye-bye, Abangan Bungalow. Yes. Very nice place. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. See you next year.
Next year?
Next year again. We come back next year again with more people. Okay.
Yun is. Si Will, mo niya na check. Hindi mga editor.
Okay, let's go. Jeb? Okay. Dire ka dapat stubang, Jeb.
Bet ba?
Napangagas-ngagas.
Ah. Yung hotel jars?
Kasilit.
Yeah.
Kagat ni Willow ang silig.
One bag mo.
Sing zombie mode ka naman dito.
Pero? Pero?
Kasi magpa seashore ka naman.
Okay, but try.
Seashore.
A smile.
Smile. Cheers!
Group picture.
Picture.
Jeff.
Jeff.
Si Jeff.
Yep.
Ara.
Kamay.
Ara. Tsura lang.
Bye-bye!
Hindi mo tanong ako.
Ikaw na ang mga driver. Sinong nga. So mo na mag-picture ang mga driver. Des bali nung na amugin na.
Bye-bye.
Oo, amugin na.
Kung ko, tanong ako. Mapicture na ka din nga sa too kaya.
Nag-CR pa mong driver.
Muna tawag na.
Nagawakal-wakal na si Jason. Siya vlog.
Sorry pa idang indyan mo.
Nga, ambal yan.
Hindi ti kay ginatag kay bentong.
Agin
to nga
priority
kliyente mo.
yata. Ay, din ta makadto.
Mabi ko mahawan.
Lucky, yeah.
KFC.
So,
Ah,
Not late too much.
sorry ah.
ang destination kaya DWK
You got everything?
Cagayan.
Sorry ah.
All
Excuse
good,
me.
yeah?
Excuse me, sorry ah.
Ready to leave?
Can we we want to go to GWK and
Is
Tanalat.
Is that possible?
GWK and Tanalot.
Is that okay?
Okay, Tanalot first and then GWK.
Okay.
Then
Gimara?
lunch at Denpasar, KFC.
KFC.
Yeah.
May ara magulapit sa ano.
Tanalot first and then lunch and then GWK.
Okay.
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 Then ole. Krishna.
Ole is easy. Yeah. Because
Okay.
near the airport.
Ole ganong bagyan.
Meaning ka uli-uli.
Souvenir.
Souvenir.
Souvenir. Same word.
Souvenir, yes.
No.
Pasalubong.
Pasalubong.
Pasalugo.
Yes. Uli-uli, pasalubong.
Ole, that's souvenir. Pasalugo. Yeah.
So what is store in Bali?
Toko.
Toko.
Sorry, it's very close.
Ang tawag na bes likod. Bungo. Ang tawag be. Sige pa. Kinchinde gina sa Ilonggo.
Naya jeep mo ma. Wala pa doon hindi makami kulbaan na.
Gani. Joke na mo lang Jeff. Kung mag-ipos kami do.
Mag-ipos kami do nga. Do ano ka man do taal nga smoke lang na yun.
Do bagyo nga way ka pabalo. Sano ka maabot?
Uy, tuloy crowded ya. Hindi na nyebut. Lipo is very crowded here. Many
Timing, eh, iba lang
1,
wala
2, 3,
ka mo.
4, 5 driver.
Five driver there.
5 driver pick up.
Sa ano na?
Nga crowded.
Lucky
Already
when,
told them when I paid. I told them that you're there.
lucky when I arrive here,
Yeah.
2 driver gone. Go.
Okay.
May ka
I just
pangakeg.
get parking on the left.
Hindi ah. Mega parking nang tanda mo. Ako nung nag-pick up. 5 ka driver.
Okay, this morning I will take you to Tanah Lot first. And then if you want to go to Denpasar, follow your lunch.
Lunch.
I will take you to Denpasar. On KFC, do you mean?
Yeah,
Yes,
KFC.
we miss KFC.
Yeah,
Try KFC Bali.
We have KFC in your place, yeah?
Okay.
Wherever near.
Let's see, yeah, which one the close one is there, yeah?
Yeah.
And after that, GWK. And then Krishna. No Jimbaran dinner, yeah?
Kan?
Dinner, you can
Man.
do dinner somewhere.
If okay, we dinner at the ano to? Seafood.
Jimbaran.
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 That's,
Is it
yeah, it's okay.
near
After GWK.
okay.
Yeah.
Near airport already?
But the seafood here is expensive.
It's okay.
Okay, yeah, for the last day.
We
Yeah.
just order water.
One shrimp.
Water.
We just order 1 piece for each.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Try shrimp. One shrimp.
No, you can buy fish. 7 people. How many kilo you need?
Don't know.
Yeah, 2 or 3 kilo is enough. Yeah, 3 kilo.
No, I think 1 is enough for us.
1 kilo.
Yeah, we eat very little.
Yeah, you can eat. You can buy 1 kilo fish, 1 kilo tiger prawn,
They sell
Tiger
sell by
prawns.
kilo.
1 kilo
Oo,
squid.
kilo
Yeah,
nila
Mm.
kagluto.
3 kilo is enough for all of you. But if you 1 kilo for all, not enough.
Yes. 1 kilo for you.
For me, 1.5.
1.5 for you.
1 kilo
Half
not enough.
goes to wife.
For me, not really. Yeah. I just eat a little bit. This morning I have big breakfast.
Oh.
Because we belong
Ay,
today.
kapamidyo.
Did you have breakfast?
Not yet.
Okay.
We call it brunch, breakfast and lunch.
Yeah, brunch.
Yes, we will eat in one, breakfast and lunch.
Brunch.
Brunch.
Can pass by Machukultut.
Pass by.
Balikin
Ano,
silungan.
Ano tong ano?
Banana.
Yes.
Oh,
Banana.
fried banana.
Yeah, kahit dried
Fried
banana.
banana again.
I will find fried banana. Let's
Makaon
see.
kayo man ah. Ah, may-
Pang ano
Pang kuyang-kuyang
kuyang.
At sige.
Pisang goreng.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pisang.
Oh,
Yes.
Pisang goreng.
Mangki goreng. Mangki goreng.
Budyok.
Rangers.
Ano? Budyok. Budyok goreng.
Yeah. Bojok.
Bojong.
Bojok goreng.
Budyok goreng. We will eat ano tong bato?
Good. You look happy this morning.
Yeah, cause Jeff is okay now.
Yeah, Jeff is okay. Oh, yesterday I'm very worried about
Yeah, we are worried too.
My nephew have same sick like that,
Mm.
but now it's already okay. Yeah?
Oh, mangkot
Okay, Jeff.
ako.
Are you
Yes.
okay, Jeff?
His
Are you wake up, Jeff?
Jeff mother doesn't know.
Still far from that. So.
Yeah.
Far
Not yo.
from that.
Jeff, don't tell to Jeff mother, yeah.
Mother already know.
My mother
Already
already
know.
know.
He doesn't want to tell, but mother has to know.
Yeah, because you asking the medicine.
Yeah.
You ask the medicine. It's okay. Now Jeff is very well.
Yeah, already drink medicine, so
Already
all
drink-
good.
Already drink arak.
Arak is better than medicine.
Arak is better than Coca-Cola.
Hindi. Okay lang sa Boria.
Ah,
Okay lang sa Boria.
sang arak. Okay ko nagtilaw.
When I was young, I saw my grandfather from my mom, yeah,
Yeah.
made arak
Arak.
every day.
Oh.
Every day climb the palm tree and then got the water, the
Sub.
yeah,
The palm water.
the palm water, yeah, and then boil
Yeah.
and then
Dripping.
yeah,
Yeah, dripping.
and then boil again to make the better
Distilled.
arak,
Yeah.
yeah. Like what is that? Fermentation? Fermentation. Arak, yeah.
Distillation.
But I'm not really drink arak.
Arak is wine. Word,
Arak, not
word
wine.
for wine.
Arak is alcohol.
Alcohol.
40% alcohol. Yeah,
Arak.
like absolute vodka. But in here, a lot of people, they sell the petrol, use the absolute vodka bottle.
In Philippines, it's alak. L.
Alak.
L. With
Oh,
L.
different, yeah?
Yeah, but
Maybe-
same.
Maybe because your ancestor cannot say
Say
ah.
R, yes.
Same like me, I can't say ah, yeah?
R.
Arak.
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 Oo.
Nang ano to?
Ang mga ethnic patterns nila cost 1.4?
Magano na?
1.4 million.
Bayo?
No.
Patato,
Tato.
matana.
Natato?
Most my Indian guys.
Okay
This-
naman.
They love
This
jungle
pat,
car.
this na nga.
Not here.
This is
Ah.
700,000
Start with
rupiah.
this,
Mahal tato nila.
Mahal go kaysa dire sa ano, sa upod.
Pasig.
Commercialized na yan mo.
Namin talaga yung mga tribo
Nagpilagan
lang, wala
nito
silang
ng
kababayad.
makanan.
Ang ano?
Grabe naman eh.
Ito sa siwang, uda mo manaway man sa kababayad.
2 or 3.
Di ba, uda donation na yan.
Ano nang?
Ang banana.
Siya mapili. Isang
Banana.
sa inyo, hindi ko mapili.
Bakso.
Banana in here you can say biu
View.
or pisang in bahasa, biu in Balinese. Yeah. We have few language. I speak three language. Yeah, I speak Balinese, our mother language, bahasa Indonesia for our nationality language.
National.
And then I speak English for my making money language. Yeah, yeah, for my business.
Yes.
One guide. In
Yeah,
Terta, one guide, I heard him saying Spanish.
Spanish.
Yeah, yeah.
Fluent
lot,
in
yeah.
Spanish.
We have the Spanish tour guide. We have the Turkey tour guide, Arabian tour guide, Germany, Russia also, lot.
Yeah, need.
They learn
And
the
Japan,
language.
Chinese. Chinese is typical. Because-
market.
What is that?
Nothing.
Apple banana then? No, yeah.
No, just looking at.
This is your rafting finish point here.
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah, over there.
Where?
Over there.
I don't know, depend the company.
Yeah.
This one for which company?
After that place.
Here.
There's stairs over there.
Going down.
Yeah, waiting here, yeah? For the shuttle.
Yeah.
Yeah, because sometimes you have to wait in the shuttle a little bit long
Yeah.
because the
It's like something
busy.
like this.
Like
Yeah,
that.
traffic jam because the traffic jam. Yeah. From the office to here need time,
Yeah.
and the company.
Yeah, we go up here.
up here.
Yeah.
How many steps? I'm not tell you in front.
Don't tell anyone how many steps.
Going down, I know many steps, but
Ah.
easier than going up. Much
Yes.
easier than going up. Going down is last time no have step.
No.
Last time when I went Camp Podet, no step.
Even harder.
I use the
Rope.
road to going down.
Oh.
Pero 200 na nila PH.
Oh, this one look easy. Look easy way.
Yeah. They have
It's easy.
stairs.
Easy.
river, yun na.
Then we waited there.
Oh, that's saka.
You walk until
Pero
here.
gani,
Yeah,
200
we
man gani, PH.
Dito nag-pick up po.
Still 200 your
Yeah.
currency.
But it's better in bank
Yeah, but I don't know. Yeah, normally better at the
exchange.
money exchange for the USD. Yeah, for the USD. Yeah.
Amo na sindi ermat.
For USD, for
Okay,
Australian,
USD
better.
dapat.
USD
Better,
dala
yeah.
nila mas ganda yan.
Standin, ay dako yun.
USD dollar. Yeah.
Eh wala sila peso. Hindi
Ah.
na mabaligya ang peso.
Hindi, dako ang
Di
exchange
dako
rate
goro
ni
ko exchange rates ang ano.
ng US.
But compared to the rate at the airport, outside is
Sa
better. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
That always because why? The making business at the airport very expensive to hire the place,
Yeah, yeah.
to hire the space. Even only
Matsyag ko lang ang
3
reason.
meter times 3 meter expensive.
Yeah.
Ang reason lang gid guro nga kusog ang US dollar kay damo gagamit.
Yeah. Doon ano sa
Pareho like sa Philippines, di gamay mo lang nga mo na nga ginataas nila kay gamay mo lang ang exchange rate. Though daw demand flow.
supply and demand.
Flow Rap things long.
I think this one is good.
Aray Green Valley ni Leo.
Next time I will try to take my gas here, because start point here, not start point, finish point here, and then direct to the office.
Yeah.
No need to wait in the shuttle bus.
So all rafting finish here or
Yeah.
others,
Few, I think all finish here. Yeah.
all company.
Yeah. Most the company just finish here. Yeah. And in eastern part of Bali, we have also for the rafting, and the water much cleaner than here. Yeah.
Oh.
But a little bit far if you stay in Ipoh.
Yes.
If you stay in Sanur, I take to eastern part of Bali. But you stay here, it's much better here.
Kita mo to gali kay James, di ba?
Yeah. Ah,
Ito sila
Oh,
stay.
this is the making the temple
Sa-
on the top,
Punta.
ano?
second floor.
Mga digital nomad, doon mo na
In
tandaan.
Bali, maximum to build the building here 15 meter higher.
Only
Right.
15 meters.
Maximum. We not the reason
That's
is
why.
the reason is we keep our culture, our nature. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
We
right.
keep our nature, culture, and then maximum like coconut tree is like 15 meter.
Oh.
Hindi ka mag
You can pass the
We-
coconut tree.
Yeah, we can
The height.
higher than
Yeah.
coconut tree.
Higher
Because why? In Bali, coconut tree is we make like sacred tree
Oh.
because we use all the
Parts.
tree
Yeah.
from root until the leaf.
Tree of
Leaves.
life.
Yeah, tree of life is different.
Yeah, everything in
tree
everything
of life like banyan tree.
everything in coconut can be used.
Yeah, can use for
Yes.
everything. Yeah.
Yes.
In Bali, we use for we make the offering.
Offering
Offering, yeah.
Yeah, we offer something.
for the
and
coconut
then
tree.
coconut
is our business in the
we do for
Philippines.
offering.
Ako nagalingan.
And then the wood we can use for building also.
Yeah. We also use
The
that.
wood, yeah, the
The
wood
wood.
we use for something.
Also the leaves we use for
The
the
leaf
roof.
we use for canang. The leaf we use for offering here.
Yeah, yeah.
You use it for the roof also? The leaves?
Yeah, yeah.
Roof?
That use,
House roof?
That used for the making canang. Canang is our
Kundi
small
na
offering
yun,
in
ang
every
sa-
morning.
Lain nila
May pa
nagamit.
na aton.
Ay hindi, nakakabit.
Canang made of the three coconut leaf, make like 10 centimeter
na
like this
yan.
big,
Yeah.
and then we put flour, we put incense stick,
Yeah.
and then water, sprinkle water.
Oh.
Yeah, that like bless.
So they sell it in the market.
Yeah, we can buy in the market also
Yeah.
for the canang. Canang sari, they complete.
Oh, kung hindi mo gusto mo go ba, bakal ka.
Yeah.
Say man sa ano to, ang balls to bla.
Ah,
Oh, big
sa
truck.
Baksu.
Traffic already.
This is very old truck,
Ah.
but still strong. Eh? Oh, this beautiful gate. In your house, you can make the gate like Balinese gate.
Yeah.
Yes, in
Yeah,
Philippines
you
we will
can.
make
You
That
can-
means
Balinese
you're rich if you...
If you have-
India, no, India like normal like this is safe because according to Balinese house compound, we live
Yeah.
in the compound. Yeah?
compound na
We
sila.
have east building, we have north
How
building.
many family in one compound?
One compound.
No
more than-
limit? No
more than
limit?
two. No limit. Yeah, depend how many brother I have.
Mm.
Oh.
Yeah, with grandparent, if the grandparents still alive, with grandparent.
Mm.
With father, if still alive, that already two. Grandparent and father is a parent already two. Yeah, two family.
What you were saying? Sorry,
If I
yeah?
have two brother like me, that mean me, my brother, that three. But in my village, no have compound. Just one building.
Mm.
Not like here. Yeah, in here, the composition of the building here is.
What is
different.
that?
This is
Sir?
cemetery. You asking from 2
Cemetery
days ago,
already?
yeah?
Para na.
There, you can see. But I don't
Diversion.
know. The problem here, no parking. That means no time to see.
It's
the
okay.
road.
It's okay.
But I think not loud as well. That burn the tower, yeah.
Yeah.
The tower, and then burn the body. Not as that's.
Then you can smell the body burning.
No.
No?
Gina,
Gina-cremate
ano
yan.
nila?
Awagin ako.
Ginakuha nila. Ang tower lang tong ginasunog.
Bigong dito gid.
Ako mo na gana.
Hindi, ginakremate nila nung sa diragid sa Kalayo. Ang pamangkot nga wala smell, may oil sila ginabutang.
You sure like that today? That means today is good day for funeral for cremation also. yeah?
Hindi, actual body, they burn it there?
No,
The body, the dead body.
Yes,
We
They
burn.
get-
We burn at the cemetery also.
they
There.
over
not
there
in
right now.
crematory.
No.
Not in the tower.
Not in the tower.
Oh, muna bali.
Hindi amo to ganing
Not in the
gasunog.
crematory as well. Just put in the inside of the. Normally we make like statue, like doll. Yeah?
Yeah.
That normally we use like my family. I have make the lion statue. Most the people they make the
Do they burn the
cow
body?
statue.
Do they burn the
And then
body
put
over?
inside of the cow statue tummy.
Oh.
Mm. Do they
They-
burn the body over the wood?
Yeah. Now this time we use gas LPG. Yeah. Most of the people use.
Amo na
So you
ginakuha
have-
nila.
Mm.
But at the crematorium they use oven.
LPG na
Oven.
tao.
Oven.
Mm.
Yeah.
How about there earlier?
Pardon?
The one burning. Is there a body there? No.
That use maybe
Tower. That's the tower, right?
Tower.
that the fire, big fire. That's why
Yeah.
this might be tower. Yeah,
Okay.
the
Mm.
tower.
Wala
they burn the
No
tower,
more
The
body?
not the body. The body
Mm.
sometimes like that also. Yeah,
Oh.
but
Depends.
I'm not really sure this one. But the body or tower. Yeah.
But when they are burning the body, you can smell it?
Well, maybe that one the body. Yeah, because the body put in the statue is big, and then just burn and then big fire.
You can smell the body burning?
I think like same smell normal.
Normal smell.
Normal.
Mm. Pero muna may oil na silang nabutang.
Not like burning a pig, yeah. Because
Ah.
pig have the hair, and then the hair smell. Yeah? The pig hair smell. Yeah?
So you were saying earlier, Surya, in the compound you have north, east?
In Bali, this one the compound. Yeah.
Yeah.
On the northeast side, the family build the temple like this. Then
Northeast.
the gate here, and then we have north east building here. That's one the east building.
Yes.
And then we have short building like a toilet, and then
Oh.
like a kitchen on the short
Mm.
area. Yeah, toilet and kitchen on the
Yeah.
short area. And then it have a pet that same in the short area,
Oh.
short side, yeah, short side. And then we have a west building for sleeping, north building for sleeping. Who is the oldest one in the compound? Who is the oldest one sleeping at the north side
May set up yun yung
Ah.
building? Yeah.
may floor plan.
Oh.
Damo to tayo sugpon.
That's the composition like that, yeah.
Ginagawa.
Northeast temple, we have east building. For the function for the east building is if someone pass away in the family, the body put on that building. We call east building. In Bali, we call it Balai Dangin. Dangin that means east. Balai is the building. We call Balai Dangin. Yeah. In English, east building. Just make the small building on the east side. Yeah. And then in front is the gate, and behind of the gate we call aling aling. The function of aling aling is to keep bad spirit away.
Oh.
Because and on that aling aling just make like small wall. Yeah, you can see like that. That the small wall. But that's build the. Let's see here. They have it. Yeah. I will explain to you. But the thing here is not. Sometimes not really in behind, but
Your house in your wife's house already
They're just,
modern.
not modern, different culture. In
Oh.
Bali, even we same in Bali, but in between the in different religion, in different region, that region that mean the like the district, yeah, that different culture also.
Okay.
And the building for the like this only at the southern part of Bali. That
So
Pasar,
northern part
Gianyar,
different
Denpasar,
also.
Ubud, around Ubud, all like this. Yeah. But in my village, like in my
Yes, modern.
wife house, small, not modern. The yeah, little bit modern, yes. But like that, one building,
Just
one
one
building is
building.
okay. And no temple.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's
We
no
make
temple.
like
No
small
compound.
shrine, no compound. We just made the small shrine. We put somewhere,
Oh.
and then that the function is placed for the put the opening every day.
Okay.
Yeah. I think this one have aling-aling or not?
The small towers is the ancestors. No.
In the that this is all of this is the family temple. And
Temple
then
lang
in
siya.
family
For
temple have few shrine. And one shrine
You
is
can-
like our ancestor shrine. Our ancestor, yeah.
so
The aling-aling like that as well. They made the shrine, yeah. But
Yeah.
this one also aling-aling. The aling-aling and the block the
Bad
Bad
spirit.
spirit.
the bad spirit go inside, yeah.
Yeah.
That normally we put glass. We put
Oh.
mirror.
Yeah.
That mean when the bad spirit go
Go back.
they
we
can
go
see
inside, They
themselves.
see the maple. They show themselves face.
Yeah, they were scared of themselves.
Yeah, scared themselves. That mean back again. That just a symbol. Yeah.
For the because for
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, that's aling-aling. Yeah. Then put Ganesha, Ganesha statue,
The elephant.
elephant head with the human body. Yeah. That one also aling-aling. Yeah. After the gate, aling-aling. Yeah.
yeah.
You can see. Normally everyone have.
Ito
Yeah.
tawo, tutod.
Aling-aling. Oh, that's one aling-aling. Yeah. Same. Everyone have like that. But in my village, no, just one building.
Kanto mo to aling-aling aton kitla.
Aling-aling. Not alang-alang. Yeah. Alang-alang that mean long grass. Alang-alang, aling-aling. Yeah.
Puti dapat mo mo yung Jers. Kulay mo yung bandana. Bakals Jers na. Ano mo pormahon to sa ano Jers? Sa
Your president is Muslim.
Hmm?
Your president.
The President of Indonesia?
Yeah.
Yeah, Muslim.
Muslim?
Muslim, yeah. Pak Prabowo Subianto. His name is Prabowo Subianto.
Oh.
He's from army.
Army.
Yeah.
Wala sila balaga
Long
sugit
time
nung
ago.
sinong pinakamangkara
But this time,
Yeah.
no, yeah.
Katsig.
So rich people are we call billionaire.
Boss.
Boss.
Hi,
Boss.
boss. You are rich.
But for money, billionaire or
Million in English, that's one. In Balinese,
Maybe trillionaire.
trillionaire cause
maybe in Bali just millionaire. Yeah? Not trillionaire, not billionaire. Just millionaire.
Mangkot ka naman gabing ka share.
Because for Bali
Yeah.
people, we are very busy in our culture.
200,000?
We keep our culture. That
Wala
means
ka
why
pa.
very busy. Yeah.
Very busy.
We going to the temple and then for Bali here, for Balinese, wherever they are live, they will come back to Bali again because we have our ancestor temple and family temple also. And
No,
then
not the way.
whenever Balinese people die, the body will bring here.
Wala.
Will take back to Bali
Wala.
again. Yeah?
Very busy kuno sila vlog. Star lang millionaire. Like doon di. Daw man kay ti may do managa do like 8 to 5 bido obra lang. Tapos kaya pray pa kuno sila may family
Yan, ayun,
temple
bisang
sila,
kulay.
may personal temple kapit sila.
kung sa Pilipinas,
They are always
millionaire
busy here.
tan
Same like in Ubud.
kita ya 1,000 there lang. 1,000 lang mo kwarta. Anong
That place
1,000
for
there?
selling Balinese clothes.
1,000 there ka lang. Anong
Hundreds lang ano eh. Ano kung hundreds lang ba, no?
100 there. Pison there ka lang.
Hindi ka dyan, isang statwa yung kadlaw. Pero,
For the bread banana, you can buy only 20,000 is already good enough for you, yeah?
yeah.
You have two,
It's only 2,000.
1,000.
What?
1,000.
They sell me 2.
Because they know you are tourist.
Oh.
Later, you just say 20,000. You say, you try.
20,000.
20,000. Campur. Campur that means mix. What you have all together
You
mix. Yeah?
you follow the sound also. Yampur.
Campur.
Ineno ko na nung inapa ka na doon.
Sige, magkaraman ko lang.
Inapa ka na lang.
You can do like this, 20,000 campur. That means all. All you have.
level,
Campur. Campur.
And then you keep quiet.
20,000.
20,000.
20,000.
I think nung
20,000.
Unspace won't pass. He's Chinese.
Yes.
20,000
They won't be-
that means
They won't
20,000. Yeah.
They won't
Maybe that.
Jerson, you buy.
Gerson will buy.
Yeah.
He
You
looks
look like Indonesia from
Yes.
eastern part of Indonesia. From East Indonesia, yeah.
O Jers, ano ka sumbe ka na? Hindi na apa, ay mongoloid na. Namayar na.
Kaya chuperos.
Hindi na yung napa. Budyok na budyok.
Practice na, Jers.
2,000, ano to?
20.
20,000.
20,000 sampul.
Campur.
If you say 10, that mean 10,000 ya. 10.
Dua.
20,000.
Dua.
Dua.
That's same with Filipino. I think.
Yes.
Yeah,
Sa
yeah.
245.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sa 245 6 7 kutus siadasa.
Shampoo.
10.
Or sampo.
Oh, 10 ya. 10 ya. Sa 245 6
Anum.
6
Anong?
Ito.
Pito.
Ito.
Walu.
8
Siyam.
Siyam.
Sam. Oh, in Bali.
Sampu.
Then similar like in Bali, from 7. Pitu, ya.
Ito.
Ulu,
8.
Sanga in Bali.
Sanga in
And
Siam.
You say Sam, ya.
10. 10.
10, that means 10. Even the police block, but not the driver don't want to go there because traffic light and long traffic there.
Oh. The police put that one.
But the private banana is there.
It's okay.
It's okay.
okay.
We find another place, yeah.
Yeah.
Because long traffic. Not enough time to go to GWK. At the GWK, at least you need time 2.5 hours there.
Oh.
You have to walk, take a picture, and then
Walk. Ay, man din na po yung
Okay.
kay kamabe.
Walk naman.
walking. Yeah.
How many minutes walk?
2
hours
hours
ka na,
ko.
ka na.
No,
2
not
minutes
no,
ka na.
not no. You can see the Dan also there. Yeah. I think in the temple don't spend too much time. Yeah. I think let's see the time. Yeah, because if you want to go to GWK, because the bad traffic jam must be arriving like
Yung patyo nila niya. Kasi cemetery. Cemetery na. Patyo.
4 p.m. is okay. Yeah.
Is that cemetery?
Oh, that is cemetery. Like I told you yesterday, in every village we have one cemetery.
Oh.
One cemetery in every village. Yeah.
Mm.
Located at the southern part of the village area. Yeah? Southern side, yeah? South side.
Ano ganing green man?
Bintang. A star green, a star. Star green.
Jers,
Star.
ang gasolina nga green ano?
Gasolina man.
Gasolina?
Oo.
Oh.
Sa akong nga libre din nila. Kaya may octane, libre lang nila mo. Tatlo, hindi octane.
Yan
May
naman ko,
yellow,
nung
green.
aso nung sa Pilipinas, ang green.
Gasolina. Ang
Gasolina.
normal, regular. Bale, ang
Tatlo din
pula
lang yellow,
mo ng
green.
premium.
So, ikaduwa nila yung yellow. 93, 90 ang green siguro.
95, 98 man lang ang premium, ano?
Then, 95 lang ang
93. Regular.
regular 93.
Ito may 98, di ba?
91 pag binalis lang. 91 kaway naman sa
Machine gun eh. Ang Blaze, ang Petron.
Sa pang Formula 1.
Oh, on that side.
Kagi ko na Jers try sa motor.
Ang cleaning.
Sa nagijagin try ko.
Teka, ano mapapa niya?
Do kay man, kinbligya. Kaya nagbaba na yan.
Ang ano nang.
Yeah, sa ano sa ang gasolina ng 100 octane.
Blue na color.
Anong naguba?
Actually wala man na. Na-joke
Ah.
ko lang.
Ang cleaning.
Okay man na kung ano. Dasi galing ako.
Oh. Ito sexy iba ko tabi.
Oo.
Puro gala limpyo yung makina.
Oo.
75,000.
Okay, we're here at Tanalan.
Ila?
75,000 pesos. One iPhone.
Pila kami. Tatlo.
6 plus 1. Yes,
Ada mana nga?
one.
Tatlo.
One kid, please. 495.
495. 495. Isa danay ka, ano?
What, Shen na na ibe?
Shin? Atag na ng Shin, be?
Ilang?
75,000.
Shin lang, Shin.
Nanda na na ibe?
Dapat na lang kay Good.
Ako ga ngayon, arin sa ko na. O, karoon na lang ka mabayad tatla.
Ay, nay, kaginapagambal nga 75,000.
Be, 75.
What is diwasa?
Ay, 100
The dog.
Anak-anak,
Thank you.
child.
Ay, amon mo.
But domestic price is different.
150. Hindi mo, Gerson no?
Yeah.
10, 20, 40. Si
5,000.
Pamayo,
Maybe
40
they
bilan eh.
charge for
40.
parking, yeah.
That Mayo.
Si
Si
Pamayo.
Pasiro mo. 2,000 lang ginatang mo
And
ngayon.
here, if you want to shopping here for,
Si Pamayo ka?
please do hard
Di mo
bargain,
atag ka.
yeah. Please do hard bargaining.
But ole-ole,
Ole is already fixed
Krishna,
price.
so ole-ole. But it's
Yeah, they have the
already...
product like this also, yeah.
It's more cheaper here or there?
In here, you should be bargaining very
Oo.
hard. yeah.
Pero fixed price na siya nung
Big price.
good price na
At
siya.
least nice big price
Okay, okay
already.
naman.
For the cloth is already good price, yeah.
Yes. So we will shop on Krishna. Ole-ole.
Di man takbalo mag-bargain.
Yan.
Kabalo ah. Bayae lang eh, lagso na ka.
Balo mga away na. Karoon nang ima dyan? 25.
Try ito mga way.
Cook this to his bar.
Isa lang mga away sa buong tungod pa sa buong na siya.
Ano nga?
Oo, klasin.
Why ka nagkulik
Why?
kasing
Sige.
kwarta?
Isi, Pamayo. 10 ta. Oh, 60. Oh,
Anong 55 lang na oh.
Sa kalibo lang na oh, gaya ko. Ay, Diyos ko. 10,000 sa
Hindi,
kaya
ah.
na oh, kag 5. 10,000 niya mo na oh, kag 5 oh. Ayun na. Sipa, zero.
Hindi ka panulok
mo.
kasing 5,000,
10.
50.
Oh,
50.
10,000.
Where's the, over there?
Kuliktahan na lang ng mga ginagmay. Just may ano ka, may remembrance.
Ah, here.
Pila mo lang ng 10,000 ka gano. 5 pesos mo lang na.
Remember, if the government people take me, you say, no.
I will tell them.
Your driver, yeah. I'm not your
I
driver.
will tell them.
Pati anong bal na yan ah. Sorry ah. Pati naman sorry ako ng balon ko mamangkot ko lesson niyo.
I don't know you.
I don't know you. Hindi natin kilala si Sorya.
Surya.
Yeah?
Surya told us to
My boss. Yeah, my boss.
Bilang ko lang na. Init.
Ganito ka init.
Kaya mo glagaw, Jeff? Duda ka. Tanan niya ulag ni Jeff. Ah,
Sa Pilipinas na Jeff, please.
Do you have helmet? Ay, ito yun.
CR mo na kilala. Nasutak mo na siyaw.
Ano na.
Sorry ah. Yung nasa klala, sa akin mo sa paksiya.
Ato galing, ito.
Diyan mo ba ni Sorya dyan? Klala.
May bus, wala siya nga din ano, tour license.
Ano lang? Ito na lang.
CR ka. Be, may ka da, be. Ka-vlog ka da na.
Okay.
Ikaw da na vlog.
Five or 100? 4? 5, ready? Huwag ka na magambal para tayo ka.
Ang tangos na lumaw. Yan na huya ikaw.
Sa isang 7-Eleven, may nag-approach sa akin ang worker. Yung lalaki sa nagambasa.
No video. Muna.
No, nagambasa. What camera is that?
Storya yan ka. Yung sa small camera. Najap na. What camera is that? Small camera. They are going here.
Oh, ay isang extra.
May harap ka pa or ginubos mo na lang?
Ato sa
Ako na lang?
karan.
Pila bilog to? Dua.
Dami ka.
Ada mo. Pila ka bilog yung ano?
Ano, yung mga polo, strip siguro. Yung mga tatlo pa lang nagkakaroon.
Ano brand yan? Sa lumpas gayad?
Salon pass extra hat.
Pulo iya unod din nga nga to niya 5 lang
Gamay
yun.
lang yun. Gamay.
Oo.
Ariyo, 5 lang na yung vlog ko.
Aw ah.
Yung vlog ko.
Ang gagmay gali ang
Damo ano. Ariyo, vlog ko. 5 lang niya.
Sino? Si Mary din ah. Okay na ta. Nung ans?
Wala man din siyang credit picture. I mean,
Ara bakla Jepo? Nung ans? Nung? So sa magid ni nung oh? To? Hindi na ni tiles nung?
Pwede 80.
Times pa man natin.
May?
Example there.
Namin na.
Oo. Ito mga black and white to.
Karoon na.
Ano ba siya niya tubig oh? Dasig. Mga copyright na karon sa ilang music.
Ayaw mo nag-react. Abi ko for dance.
Tama na si Dabud. Kaya nakata doon yung copyright
Tapos
music.
po may music na tunogan niya tingog.
Photo. Be, yung cellphone be.
Group photo.
Yes, group photo. And then selfie. Group photo?
Group photo.
Group photo guys. Group photo, Mary.
Helicopter.
Ate, sige, tatlo na yun. Okay. Wait. Sige.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay.
Kay Jeff. Right, right. Sige lang, edit lang. Go photo. Tahan, Joy. Eh, dali.
Okay, 1, 2, oh sorry.
Okay.
No, no. Oh yeah.
Okay, again. Ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Grabe, yung shades.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Ayo, tani. Sok-sok to. Selfie? Me? Okay. You join, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you guys? Where do you want to? One more. Okay. Let's go. Mhm. Nana. Ayun, dala ko akong shade, be.
Masarap ba?
Ayan lang. Ah, may Leo, may ngalan, no? Picture where? Picture today, oh? May ngalan? Ta? Yes. Ata kay, ano, bebe. Guys, picture na na, guys. Spread out, tas to. Oo. Iban pongko.
Ako si
Iban pongko.
Kartagagting.
Hindi nyo lang pagtabunin letters. There pa isa. Pongko. Pongko iban. Hindi nyo pagtabunin letters. Pongko iban. Na. Pongko. Tindog lang iban. Pause ang iban. Pause. Okay. Ada. There? Here? Okay.
That's very far. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
Go.
That is that one?
But we going there first. Later, let me see here, take a picture later. We go there.
C'est comme la lotte au poisson.
Oh, so no, yung
Just for surfing. Surfing, yes.
for surfing.
They bring the support.
This one is the Bulong and then that one is Tanalat or the other side?
The other one.
More big.
Batu Bolong Temple.
So Tanalat is more bigger.
Bigger there.
This one just small.
This is Batu Bolong Temple. Batu they mean rock, Bolong is the hole like that.
Bulong is whole.
Hole.
Ah, yeah,
Bulong.
that one. Selfie to bebe. Ano? Ano? Yeah.
Ako ang waves.
Picture tabi.
Ano,
Selfie.
Itsu. Oh, maano siya, mag-swim. Bird nila pa na o gana ka.
Ay, butang. Okay. Selfie. Okay. Picture today? Your picture?
Ada? No problem, that's
Here.
fine later.
That's it. Okay. We go there?
We go into
Can we go inside there?
outside only.
Outside only. Ano? Di na alin? Hindi na alin. Oo. Oh, may kape shells masaglay. Oh. What do you call this?
I don't know this one. What this?
What shell?
Maybe this one. I don't know.
You
Apa
do,
ni, Bu?
you have
I don't know.
With cell.
what?
With the cell.
With shell. From where? Here in Bali?
Yeah. You want this one?
No, just asking for video.
Yeah, we have another like this.
Just for decoration.
So, yeah.
Decoration.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Batu Bulong.
Ganti foto ya.
There?
Yeah.
Over there?
Yeah.
Be? Picture to there? Picture to that, huh? Ha? Picture to there? Picture kami ba dyan? Yeah. Picture. Be.
Try ko yung sa likod.
Yes. F 5.6 ah. Pakita.
2.8 sumunod.
Hindi pa yan. Pakita ka na yun. Okay na 2.8. May blur gamay. Transfer ta sa Tanalat yan. Where is the Tanalat?
Tanalat behind there.
So,
We just finish here.
okay.
Here just see the rock and water blow. Water blow. Look like a little bit deep. In here, in this area. That's it.
Here you can swim? No?
Kaya mo balod. I think no, di kaya. Because
Hindi, okay man na mo na ang balod ah.
Mutungo niya ka.
The way to
Hmm?
the left.
Delikado. Mutungo niya ka na ibalik.
I still want to try
Para
that.
kapag unak niya. Ang karin, tapos dalo nga. Gusto yung naman lumusong sa burak.
Hindi. Okay mo na kung ano, kung kantilado mong budlay eh. First na, flat mo lang na.
Kung sa burak, ay magaglanunan mo na niya na may price out dito. Ay suli eh. Magampas sa dito. Pag muna na, ang dalo niya na. Doon talaga muna sa tubo yun. Si Baba, kapi mo ka plain na ito sa dalo.
Pero wala kaso basta ano lang, flat lang mo na. Ang budlay kung kantilado kay pagbutong sa imo kagin dalom na din pagbutong sa imo. Wala pa kung makatindog kam lang okay lang na.
Okay, we go to the next spot.
Okay. Serious si Mama sa photography. May comment tayo ka na shot.
Tama.
Yeah.
Photographer as well.
Yeah.
Yeah?
She on camera. He used in school.
Cool.
She is the photographer in her class.
In the class, yeah.
Yes.
You are making group photo here in this gate?
No.
No, yeah. Okay, magnet. Net.
You put on the refrigerator. Freezer, yes. If you have no freezer, you put in the rice cooker.
Put inside the refrigerator.
Rice cooker. Okay. Galit ako kasi mag landslide. Oh. Ang ano man sa'yo. Batsyag man sa'yo. Oh, surf lang.
See, they make happy, eh? Just come to the beach, do surfing, they are happy.
Yeah. If you know how to swim,
Yeah, of course.
don't know how to swim, very sad.
This one good spot also here. I can take photos from this side.
Okay. Be, go photo, di ka na. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Here?
Sadya mag-surfing.
Be, go photo ko na do. Go photo ko na guys. Ribbon, isa.
Closer.
Sorry.
One, two, three.
Wag ako eh. Ako ba?
One, two, three. Okay.
Matagdag sa ulaw. Nagdagang gusto. Sadya mo.
Okay. Ito iba no? Piyak jars. Kuha niya pesta si photographer. Na may galit ang gola. Diba? Okay.
block normally from that side.
Ha?
Puro driver nila kahapon.
Sino?
Bali.
Nga.
They left us already. 8 hours.
Yeah, all sit down here.
Yes. Sit down ka mo daw mga girls.
Girls, sit down.
Girls, sit down. Boys, over here.
Yeah, just block them all, yeah?
Don't block the hole.
You sit down, the girl sit down.
Sorry.
Para balance mo.
Okay mo na, tindog lang. Waki. Selfie. Waki. Area number 1.
Sorya.
Surya number 1.
You don't know Surya?
We don't know Surya.
What happened this one?
Ano, it's just, you
The-
can get it.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Paano kung di ko mabalon? Tapos ang friend target sa'yo.
Ano ang
Hindi ko na.
pwede ko eh?
Hindi na ako pag natulog ng mga flowers.
Oo. Ang balanta. Ang ano
Wala man kami ano ba siya?
wedding friend, no? We attend his wedding. Ano ta? Ang visit.
Yes.
Ano na? Oo. Mangkota sabi.
What if they will say you are
Close friend.
close friends?
Good friend.
Like family friend.
Yeah. They will believe
They won't believe.
Good friend. Good friend.
Family friend.
Like in Bahasa we call sahabat.
I mean,
You mean if we answer, if they
Oh, cannot do that.
They won't believe you?
They know I'm the good guy. I'm the driver. They know. From the side, they know already. Okay, yeah.
Ayer.
They do like this. They do like that.
Ang ano na.
My hand, then take away from you. Then come here.
Pura.
Not asking the guests, because they don't want to disturb the guests.
Only the locals. This is the biggest.
Yeah. Then we got another.
We can go there or no?
I hope low tide. Yeah, you still can go there. Beautiful.
Yes.
Without people, beautiful.
Only there. Can't go up.
Maybe that's one the main temple.
Can't go up on the temple.
No, no. Only until the
On the red flag.
red flag. Before red flag. You can do selfie here. You can.
Yes.
mo, ito na lang sunset.
But if you take from here, then you block the view
Yeah. Selfie.
of the temple. Yeah?
Selfie ta.
And
Then
I think one from here maybe.
Okay. Selfie
Maybe that
first.
side is better.
Okay.
That side. You can sit down and then the view still behind it. If you're standing, then you block the view.
Okay.
This one is better. But this one you can do here.
But may ano, there's a tree.
You go behind the temple.
Okay, over here. Ta.
Okay, sit down here. I think
Dylan, danay ba? Over here first, sorry.
Sir.
Kasi matapon.
Cellphone danay. Cellphone danay. Sige, sige. Okay. Jeff, sige ba Jeff? Jeff.
Ano?
Jeff. Sit down. Thank you. Sit down here. Sit down.
There's and then. Akin may black. Gorong view. Dapat pungkot ka na.
All sit down.
Go.
Sa tubang.
Jeff ko, kuha na lang doon.
Special. Disabled person.
PWD na.
PWD na gid man siya.
PWD na.
Eh na mo.
Ha?
Eh na no.
Dalam na lang, Jers.
Alam na lang.
Mm.
Mag-alam ko lang dyan.
Grabe siya.
right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Waki.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mana, og pagita to kuno.
Go here first.
Here.
Wait. Go.
Mana be?
Behind the temple.
Pwede?
Yeah, behind it.
Okay. Ah, there's a view. May view pa ito sa likod. Nung ants. Nung ants. Nung.
Down. Good. Down. Who call you?
Nung is like brother.
No.
Older brother, Nong.
No.
Ano to? Picture ko mo da.
Laging sulod ko lang ako ng wallet.
No, no, no. Oh, oh, you look good.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi agin.
Na, pagidigaling view.
Okay, later you can sit down then all of you just I will take
Okay.
it's better.
Sila po hindi. No?
May nagman strand lang.
Okay, you can stand behind them.
Hindi na ako pa actually ginatulog.
Stand
Okay.
behind them.
There?
Yeah. Behind.
Okay.
Okay.
Take over.
Wait, one more here. Okay.
Line give for me. Line give for me pa picture.
1, 2, 3. And push.
Can take from here.
Tatlo today, yan be.
1, 2, 3.
You have to get there also.
One more.
Maki?
1,
Waki!
yeah. Careful. Okay.
Kami binong tatlan.
Do kwart sa gilid.
Nga.
Do ano to, far away ka.
Okay.
Yun, malompat bro.
Kita na.
Dapat mag-cool down ka na.
Init na.
May tao. Okay na.
Okay.
At least pwede pa.
Kill.
I-delete ka lang sa sides.
Yeah, okay man.
Minute.
Init na. Ginabidyo mo mo.
No, natugin. Minute kang ganyan siya.
Nami da kay Mary, oh.
Nami, may panta.
No, the picture until here and like this only. Okay.
Tawan, Josh.
Manais.
Picture na mo to. Sige na.
Thank you.
Josh, ano ko no?
Duwa ka, ano? Duwa ka, ano? Elbow.
Ka?
Pasandig. Ay, basically matagdag ka dila. Nalo kayo. Ito mo yung ano din. Ito yung mga direction.
Hello,
Stand
time.
down, we're going to the bind them up.
Huwag daw sa lakon. Ginilos nga ba yun?
From the biggest mountain in Bali. Eastern part of Bali.
Volcano?
Yeah, eastern part of Bali. Northeast part of Bali.
Do ano nagiman ano yan, oh.
Black. From inside the volcano?
Ay, rendo ka.
May extra t-shirt pa ko to, be. Be. Extra t-shirt.
Pula.
Basa na ako sa balas.
Para ka naman bayo.
Pwede ba? Full ring.
Steak with iguana.
Iguana.
If you want to try like that,
Yes.
you want to take a picture? Try.
We have already.
Ano accent?
Hmm?
Ano accent ya?
Oo ah.
May rinene lang to no, makaong ka lang.
Ang balya sa kon mag-open ka ng
Narisaw? Oo, may piso.
Tayo nga, tayo sa kay buso na. May boss ko kung gusto ko sa.
Okay, magnet.
May patawan saya. Ay, duck man saya, be. Kaya, manager. Saan ikaw managers? May duck sa nga sound. Ikaw gana.
Dara sa patin, dog yung di pa.
Sa may kwan niya sa kabilo doon.
Sa tasok yun. Kaya ginanin yan, dahil sa mga dipasayro.
Ano na?
Yung di pata. Mga pata, tanan.
Ano namin yung structure sa Tontagers? Kanto to sa Nuaki nung ang cementerio sa Nuaki nung mga natong namin.
Sana kami.
Mga ano, mga church na. Kudo mga daw local na ito daw lagi. No, tamad ko. Tamad ko mga ninunot. Yan o.
Christianity na ito yan.
Namin ang siya
Yara man
puro lang si Man.
Hindi naman yung sumbangan sa unay.
Japan, no?
Laya, balay.
Wala na project.
Pa-picture to the bebe. Wait ka lang hindi be. Dito lang ma-picture. Okay lang damo tawa. Pa-picture di ba no? Maski dala lang tao no. Be. Kay Jeff pala. Okay lang may tawo, Jeff. Okay lang may tawo. Group ta. Sige, Jeff.
Kung ga-effort sa nang
Wow!
flashback ni Balano.
Baba naman no.
Hindi namin sakit ako ito.
Ito mo na ganun yung budlay na tanan nga senyales. Okay.
1 minute, 5 minutes.
Ay, sir.
Ano sila mapapause?
Okay, kiss.
Now our turn. Hello.
No kiss. Mama chup chup.
Go, go, go.
Satu. 20,000 Pak.
Warung pujuk. Nah. Nah, kare nak kare. Ngamot kare. Mana nak?
Ano sila?
Yes lang.
Harus harus piyak.
Stop the night, stop. Stop the night, be. Ikisabay gid sa agos ng kalahunan. Bakit stop the night daw kasabay sa agos.
Sakit dulong mo lang.
Gaang isod ko din.
Hello, stimulant. Diyan po kayo pa stimulant.
Stimulant na rin.
Mas
Layo sa tubig, di pa?
sa ano.
Masih dari ka malumos blaw.
Yes, sir. Anjing kau.
Drink. Delikado di si jeep mo.
Sa food na Jeff.
Kamalan na installation sa komedyante lang. Ganyan to lang. Like the first fire bit pastor ko. The expire nila pala. Bit pastor. Ganyan na po ko.
Hindi.
Yeah, good spot here.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
With that dog and that temple. Huh?
Okay.
You in between.
Tatlo tayo ba? Dahil lang yan. Top shot ba, Jeff? Nice. Group picture. Nang? Hello, sige. Okay, ready? It's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
Ano na oras?
Handa naman puto eh.
Hmm?
Ang pupuhan ta naman ang puto eh. Nag-12 na.
Ha?
Nag-12.
Sit down one by one.
Wala.
Yeah, you.
How? Sit down.
Selfie na ito ba? Iya, selfie tayo ba? Ito ta sa dama tao ba? Paano mag-wild?
Nawala.
Ready, 1, 2. Ay, hindi na. One more. White na. Alam mo nga, gusto mo may tao. Para daw, first target. Wala tao, may do.
Do tinapicturehan niya.
Do.
Iso.
50,000 rupiah. Nasukot mo man lang ng 50,000 rupiah.
Ang isang kagina.
Kadlawan nila.
Kadlaw.
50,000 rupiah per picture.
50,000. You can here do business in there.
We eat now?
Huh?
Already 12?
Okay.
Yes, we lunch.
To
We lunch.
KFC?
Yes.
But KFC like 1.5 hours from here.
Or
Something different?
okay, somewhere here no KFC.
No KFC. Okay.
Or along the way.
Yeah, we try it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Balinese food, yeah.
Okay.
I have good food. Oh, you can try babi guling again, yeah.
Babi guling taluat.
One nice here.
Okay, sige.
That's 30 minutes, yeah, like 30 minutes. Monkey guling as well.
Bujok guling.
Bujok guling.
Dinali Jessa. Yan ang makakita ko sinablaw do automatic may gapang map. Do sulod sa isip ko may gapang map pa natin. Kita kasi nga mo na, di ba?
Door mo.
Oo, ganun. Dapat na nadugas sulod sa isip
Ara
ko.
pa, ito ganyan po. Yung word niya siya to, ang cushion with floor la. Ang cushion with
Ano?
floor la. Dire.
Ang daw siya lang yung vlog.
Ara ilang cushion
Yes,
with floor.
bye-bye. Bye-bye, no?
I don't borrow.
Ano ka na lang?
2,000 lang ang bal ko.
20,000.
Sa...
20,000 ko na.
Ayos, ano? Gwapo na. Hindi. May elastic ko.
I have grown better.
So, okay naman galing sa 5-6 na.
Ano?
350 gig.
Tudla? Okay ka pa na, boss? Maski ka share?
And I meant storage.
Aw. No, picture ka man dito. Ha?
Oh, pwede basta ikaw mangkot.
Nga no.
Mababay shorts sa babae, gina. Share mo man to?
Sinumbag ito sang nobyo ito. Babiguling igid.
Jerson Joling.
Cellphone bebe. Selfie ta dia. Iya. Just record. Saka ka mo sa stairs. Ready, 1, 2. One more. Waki. Wait na. One more. Tao.
Apoy. Apoy po.
Alas lagyan pa.
Kaya pa tubi eh.
Sa center ka mo, be. Okay. Dere ka, be. Naog gamay. Hindi, siya. Okay. Okay, ready. Naidog pagit ba gamay? Na, okay. Ready, 1, 2. Okay. Ito na lang. Ito siya sa ito ba ya? Dasig lang. First steps lang. First step.
First step.
Ito na. Ready, 1, 2. Ayun na, mama. Ready, 1, 2. Kanor. Okay. Okay pa picture mas lagli.
But I did it.
Picture ka ga?
I wait.
Muna na yung budlay kay may action cam ako, hindi na ako picture sa cellphone ko. Kung makapicture ako sa cellphone, damo pa kung may nakapture ng mga nagme.
Kalkalaw ay yung kapatod ng
Oo. Ito namin, do galagaw. Capture mo lang yung paglagaw.
screenshot ka. Pwede na. Lalaya ka ga. Picture.
Ay, sandalang pabalik ah.
चलो राकेश जी भेजा यार फोटो यार
Anong DTW? DT. Yung gantang ka na. Waru. Wasabi. Tanalat.
Bakit kasi nagaway?
Then, mga birds.
Tapos yung isa. Ano pangalan?
Thank you. Thank you.
A lot in the car.
Thank you.
Talagang 2 hours?
2 hours ang biyahe.
Nakaplakat.
Oo. Hindi, mangguro.
Ka sa statue.
Hindi, basta 2 hours ang stay.
Bayang nakat?
Hindi ah. Kita ko sa video pag naog na slakyan, haranam lang.
Katlik. Puro ribo.
Harat nila mayag, oh.
May maya to din na. Ano na yun? Quail. Quail. Lala ng quail ka. Quail eggs.
Tatlata.
I have done a lot.
Dire ka mo. Day lang, day lang. Ready? Ready, 1, 2. Kasi gabi yung...
Tingnan, Nicolay.
Wow.
Maklaton to sa ano.
Sa AI.
Ito damon sita pa.
Hmm?
Ito damon sita.
Din.
Ha?
Tawad. Ha? Wala. Kimanan Security.
Ano ka? Ha? Hungry? Or hangry? Hungry.
Sorry. Basta hindi ka pwede painit, Jeff.
Ha?
Kasi hindi ka pwede painit. Bakal na blabiyo. Tilaw ka ba yun? Be?
Ano?
Tilaw.
Picture ulit kayo.
Rice cake.
Yeah, rice cake. Yeah, 10,000 one packet.
Kuya, sir.
This one, coconut.
The coconut bean.
Ah,
Lupa ka dyan, Nepa.
10,000?
Yes. How many you will...
Yeah, one.
Just one?
Just one.
Okay.
One more, yeah?
Di kuda to pa.
Just one.
okay, ready.
10,000.
Yeah, pichi-pichi. Are you from
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yes.
pichi-pichi
Pichi-pichi.
or kuchinta?
No,
Kuchinta.
pichi-pichi.
Pichi-pichi or different with
Different
kuchinta?
kuchinta.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Have you nice holiday.
Thank you. Ah, try niya. Ah, pati lawas na.
May unod. Akala may sunod.
Ah, try niya. Pila na kabilog.
But, 1, 2, 3, 4. Apat na bilhin.
Oh?
Tilaw ka ga. Bigay sa isabi man ta.
Thank you.
Go mo check.
Pagkagat mo ga, ano, ga explode. May feeling siya sa sulod.
May ano sa sulod. Baligya na si Mary. Amo na, Mer. Travel ka, kag ngamdom ko kung ano baligyaon mo na.
Amo na nga rin nakita. Ito palang mango, ano to?
Diba?
See Anna?
Ako sinta nga may liquid sa sulod.
Gide. Korea.
Wala ko talaga. Ah, ubos mo na? Wala pa. Ay.
Anong kaon ko ang camera?
Baka na tubig na ako.
Oh.
Why yan nagana kay nung an?
10,000.
Nakagama. Gamit ko gapon.
Kay base wala da sila ano naman sa terminal.
Sa terminal na.
Ah,
May visa.
Kung accepted.
may visa man.
Hmm. Tara, let's go.
Ay, wala saya. Kambyo ko.
Let's go.
Loko cinta. May ara sa ano din.
Kutsenta. Ha? May gapap na. Ha? Di na si, ano,
I wish I
Surya. Okay. Wala, layo pa ko ng KFC, okay lang? Yes, eh. Sabat din dito. Batian mo story ayaw eh. Ah, batian mga layo pa.
wala.
Oo. Pero okay lang.
Ingat. So up. Ay. Babagin.
Maki-KFC gid si sumama. So,
Muna gani nga nagutom.
tembala lang si ano. Ang bala lang si Surya nga okay lang. Kaya nagmuno siya nga 1 hour pa ko no.
Ang ano.
Ang biyahe sa pa-KFC.
Si ano.
Ang balaan mo sa. Nga okay lang kay mga KFC so. Okay, another episode naman. 1 hour.
Ubos na.
Hindi ah. Do kada may location dahil. Hindi daw sakto gid siya nga 1 hour per may kada mag-visit ta. Ito 1 episode sa.